We are pleased to show you the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.